Hey my friend, Adam here, and today I want to share with you 3 lead generation tools from Meta to help you get more clients and customers, make more sales, and grow your business. I've personally used these tools to help me build multiple different marketing agencies, generate millions of new contacts or leads for myself and my clients, and they continue to help me create better, more effective, and high-performing marketing campaigns. So, let me show you how it's done. But first, before we get started, let's go over a few simple things that can help you better understand lead generation and how it can help you find new potential customers. Lead generation is a process where you identify prospective customers and nurture their interest in your products or services. So, super important for your business and its growth. Lead generation tools can help you encourage people to reach out to learn more about your business, provide quotes, have follow-up conversations, expand your contact list, drive future sales or bookings, and more. And lead generation tools on Meta Technologies help you discover potential customers where they are, using their and your preferred ways to communicate, whether it's forms, calls, or messages. Now, let's go over lead gen tools on Meta Technologies that can help you discover potential customers, lead ads, call ads, and ads that click to message. And I'll walk you through exactly how to quickly set up lead ads, call ads, and ads that click to message to help you find high-quality contacts online. First, let's start with lead ads. They're fast, easy to set up, and allow you to request a prospective customer's contact details using an instant form right inside the app, so people never need to leave, which eliminates friction and makes the whole process fast and easy and effective. You can use lead ads to receive quote requests, get subscribers, encourage ebook or brochure downloads, have someone sign up for a free trial, and a bunch of other options. Lead ads use a customizable, mobile-first form called an instant form that allows you to request contact information from potential customers and even include custom questions about things that would be helpful to know, like what they're looking for or the time frame in which they intend to buy. You can use these questions to help you determine which new contacts are the best fit for your business, and it'll also help you understand prospective customers' interests and where they are in their buying decision-making process before you follow up with them. Here's how to set them up using Ads Manager. First, log into your Facebook ads account and click Create. Then select Leads, which is perfect for the kind of ads we're going to be creating. Click Continue, and then work your way through the rest of the campaign settings. If you've never set up a Facebook ad campaign before, I have quite a few videos right here on this channel to help walk you through the specifics around targeting, placements, budget, and ad copy. For now, the big thing you want to concentrate on takes place here at the ad set level, under the heading called Conversion. This is where you're going to want to select the option marked as Instant Forms, which is going to allow you to generate leads using, wait for it, that's right, an instant form. Then at the ad level, you can scroll down and click Create Form to make it. This is where you can customize your form by giving it a name, choosing to prioritize more volume or a lead with higher intent. Choose a background image, add your questions, privacy policy, which is required, and then a final message for your leads once they've submitted your form. Using lead ads is a great low barrier way to quickly request potential customers' info and guide people through a customer journey. But they're not the only option. Next are call ads, which are my suggestion for local businesses, service businesses, or anyone whose main goal is to get more phone calls from prospective customers. Call ads make it easy for people to connect with your business so they can place an order, get their questions answered in real time, follow up on a quote to get more information, or any other situation where it's helpful to be able to speak to someone directly. The way it works is people click on your call ad and get connected to you immediately, and you can schedule your call ads to run only when someone's available to answer the phone. When you're looking to connect right away with potential customers over the phone, call ads are a really great option. So let me walk you through how to set one up now. First, just like with lead ads, you want to log into your Facebook ads account and click Create. Then select Leads. But then in the section marked Conversion at the ad set level, instead of choosing instant forms like we did for our leads ads, well, here you're going to choose calls. Then at the ad level, you want to scroll down to the bottom to find the section marked Destination, where you can enter the phone number you want someone to call. But for those customers that aren't likely to fill out an instant form and don't want to talk to you on the phone either, you still have another powerful option: ads that click to message. Ads that click to message are ads that let you start chat conversations with potential customers directly in-app. How it works is that when someone clicks on your ad, it opens a chat on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram, allowing you to interact with people in real time. This allows you to answer their questions and learn more about what they're looking for right away. Ads that click to message are useful to help qualify prospects to see if what they're looking for is the right fit for your business. I use ads that click to message to help engage new prospects with a low barrier form of communication and to follow up or provide additional information quickly and easily. Just like with lead ads and call ads, ads that click to message are set up in much the same way. Let me show you how to set up an ad that clicks to Messenger as an example. Meaning when someone clicks on your ad, it opens a chat with your business in Messenger. Start by clicking Create, then Leads. But then, under the conversion heading, choose Messenger. Then at the ad level, you'll scroll down to find the message template section, where you can either create a new template or use an existing one if you have one already. In this sample account, I don't have one created yet, so I'll click Create and set that up next. It's here that I can map out my welcome message, the questions I want to ask, a completion message that qualified leads will receive once they finish your question and answer flow, and even a disqualification message to let people know if I don't think it's a good fit and what they can do next. To create ads that click to WhatsApp or Instagram, you'd select engagement as your campaign objective and messaging app for conversion. Then select which messaging apps you'd like to use to have conversations with potential customers. So to learn more about getting started with lead generation solutions on Meta Technologies, make sure to check out this link, which I've also posted in the descriptions below this video.